Okay, so your kit's arrived and you're ready to paint. I'm going to show you real quick how to set your box that your painting kit came into a tabletop easel. So you can see the box is empty. I've taken everything out. And I'm going to just take the lip that normally tucks down and flip it up and out against itself on the top. And then I can just stand the box up, take my canvas, rest it there, and I've got an easel. You can angle it a little more if you need to. Sometimes, depending on the surface you're using, this might get a little slick if you've got a highly polished surface. So you can always just take a little piece of tape to secure it. And this is especially helpful if you are sipping a lot of adult beverages or you're painting with children. So there you go. Now you've got a surface. Pretty sturdy. You can press right up on it. Have fun.